Hey guys, how's it going? Go see Rich here today. As you can see, I am in the GTI. And today we're going to be wrapping up stage 2 and the whole process I've gone through. Everything was actually very smooth except for one thing. I'm doing a transmission upgrade finally right now because what happened is when I bought my cable, for some reason the seat wouldn't go through on the cable, which means it won't let me update and flash my transmission. So Unitronic's been going through it. I'm waiting for John to give me a call right now. I'm going to do it. So I've got a whole bunch of footage which you're going to watch right now, which is going to be all about when I did stage 2 with the engine. And I'll make a quick section letting you know this is stage 2 transmission. So now you can compare it. So I'm on with John right now, and we're still getting the same error. I'm just doing some team view with him, so he's actually controlling my computer from Montreal right now, and we're just trying to get this all sorted. So far, not looking so good, but we'll see where it goes from here. Alright guys, so I tried what I could, and we are not going to be able to update the transmission tonight. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the footage, because I know there's a lot of people want to hear the exhaust and hear what happens when you unleash this beast at stage 2 engine. So I'm going to release that. The next week I'm going to upload stage 2 transmission, and then you can hear the difference in shifting and stuff like that. So I'll do some more straightaway runs, but listen to the exhaust, do your stuff. The best one from inside the car is at the very end, so if you're like getting bored from me driving around, be sure to stick around and or skip to the last, I think it's like last minute of the video, and it'll switch over and you see me do a straightaway. It's a small straightaway, but you'll like it. Cool, thanks again. Press the like button, of course, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next week. It's time to do the after video. As you can see, we got the new rubber on. Of course, you've probably already seen that I did the turbo back exhaust. And then the next thing that we've done so far is we've done stage 2 tuning. So I'm going to fire up the GoPro. We're going to go for another rip. I'm going to take probably the exact same course as I did for the before video, so that way you get it pretty accurate. And I've even mounted it in the same spot, as you can see. So let's go for a rip. All right, guys, so this is an inside sound. Here we go. And there we go, just a quick straightaway for you.